Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of surveillance, specifically CCTV.
You see them everywhere, on street corners, in shops, even in our workplaces. We've become so used to them that we barely notice them anymore. But what if I told you there's a whole secret world behind those silent, watching eyes? A world of surprising facts, hidden capabilities, and a few things that might just change how you see them forever. We've dug up 5 incredible CCTV secrets that most people have absolutely no idea about. These aren't just fun facts, some of them are genuinely mind-blowing. So, if you're ready to have your perspective on surveillance completely flipped upside down, stick around, you won't want to miss this. Let's jump right into our first secret, and it is a big one. A lot of the CCTV cameras you see are completely fake. Yes, you heard that right, they're dummy cameras. Plastic shells with a little blinking red light, designed to look like the real deal. Why would anyone install a fake camera? It's all about psychology. The mere presence of a camera, even a fake one, acts as a powerful deterrent. Potential shoplifters or vandals see it, think they're being watched, and decide it's not worth the risk. It is a cost-effective way for small business owners or even homeowners to create the illusion of security without shelling out thousands for a full-blown system. So, how can you spot a fake? Well, it's tricky, but look for clues. Is there a cheap-looking, constantly blinking red light? Real cameras often have infrared lights that are invisible or glow faintly in the dark, but they don't usually have a single, toy-like blinking LED. Are there any wires leading from it? While many modern cameras are wireless, a complete lack of any cabling can sometimes be a giveaway. It is a fascinating game of bluff that is being played out right in front of us every single day. Moving on to secret number 2, and this one is about sound. We always think of CCTV as being all about video, right? Silent movies of our daily lives. But here's the shocker. Many modern CCTV cameras can, and do, record audio. The technology has advanced so much that tiny, almost invisible microphones are integrated into the camera's housing. This adds a whole new layer to surveillance. It's not just about what you did, but what you said. Now, this is where it gets legally complicated. In many places around the world, recording video in a public space is generally permissible, but recording audio without consent is a whole different ballgame. There are strict privacy laws about eavesdropping. This is why you'll often find that even if a camera has audio capability, the feature is disabled by default in many commercial or public installations to avoid legal trouble. However, in a private setting, like your own home security system, you might have the option to enable it. Just imagine the implications, not just capturing a break-in, but also hearing everything the intruders say. It's a powerful tool, but one that walks a very fine line with privacy. All right, let's talk about secret number 3. Your face is your password. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's happening right now. Many advanced CCTV systems are integrated with powerful facial recognition software. These systems can scan faces in a crowd in real time and match them against massive databases. Think about walking through a modern airport or a high-security train station. The cameras aren't just passively recording, they are actively analyzing every single face that passes by, cross-referencing them with watch lists of wanted individuals or persons of interest. The speed and accuracy of this technology are staggering. It can identify a specific person in a crowd of thousands within seconds. This has huge implications for law enforcement, helping them track down suspects and prevent crimes. But of course, it also raises massive questions about privacy and the potential for misuse. What happens when this technology becomes more widespread? Could you be tracked from one camera to another as you go about your day? It's a powerful and controversial secret hiding in plain sight. Now for secret number 4, and it's a bit of a reality check for all you aspiring movie hackers. You know that scene in every heist film where the hacker genius types furiously for 10 seconds and says, "I'm in, I've looped the camera feed." Well, in the real world, that's almost impossible. Modern digital CCTV systems are incredibly secure. They're not just simple analog feeds anymore. We're talking about encrypted data streams, secure networks, and multiple layers of digital protection. Trying to loop the feed on a modern, encrypted IP camera system would be like trying to change a single word in a locked, uncrackable digital document without leaving a trace. The system would immediately flag the interruption or the anomaly in the data stream. Security administrators would get an instant alert. So while it makes for great cinema, the idea that you can easily trick a high-tech surveillance system with a pre-recorded video loop is pure Hollywood fantasy. The real secret is that these systems are far more robust and tamper-proof than movies would have us believe. And finally, we've arrived at secret number 5, which might be the most surprising of all. CCTV footage isn't just for catching bad guys. It's also a goldmine of data for businesses. Think about a large retail store. The cameras aren't just for preventing theft, they are sophisticated analytical tools. They use something called video analytics to track customer behavior. They can generate heat maps showing which aisles are the most popular and where customers spend the most time. They can analyze traffic flow to see how people move through the store, identifying bottlenecks or dead zones. This information is incredibly valuable. It helps stores optimize their layout, decide where to place high-profit items, and even determine staffing levels for peak hours. So, the next time you're in a supermarket and you see a camera pointed down an aisle, it might not be watching you for theft. It might just be counting how long you spend deciding between 2 brands of cereal. You're not just a shopper, you're a data point in a massive, ongoing market research study. It is a form of surveillance that has nothing to do with crime and everything to do with commerce. So there you have it, 5 secrets about CCTV that pull back the curtain on the world of surveillance. From dummy cameras playing psychological tricks and the hidden power of audio recording, to real-time facial recognition, the myth of looping the feed, and cameras being used as powerful business tools. It's clear that there's so much more to these devices than meets the eye. They are a complex blend of technology, psychology, law, and commerce, shaping our world in ways we're only just beginning to understand. What do you think is the most surprising secret? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the hidden side of our world. Until next time, stay curious.